Hi, it's Darnell with NuWave Recipes. Today, I'm going to be heating some frozen hash browns in the NuWave Primo Grill Oven to basically grill some hash browns. So we're going to get started with that right now. Alright, so heating up frozen hash browns in the NuWave Primo Grill Oven is pretty easy to do. I'm going to get a couple of these hard frozen hash browns out, just stick them on the grill plate. And now I'm going to just put the lid on my NuWave Primo like so. Turn it on. I'm going to up the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Going to hit time temp, take the time down to just 8 minutes, and then going to hit start. And let's let those cook. Alright, we're coming into the final seconds of this 8-minute cook, and I'm just going to turn it off so you don't get any extra beeps. Get that dome over there. Now I just want to show you the flip side. You can see we got some searing. Got some searing going on the back side there where we let it be on the grill plate. I'll show you the other side of this one as well. Got a little sear on there. So you got your sear hash browns. I'm going to move the camera around and then we'll do a taste test of these. Alright, here are hot hash browns grilled off the NuWave Primo. Let's do a taste. Alright, I don't want to eat it all in front of you, but it's hot and tasty. Good. You can get your hash browns done real fast and get some nice searing on them. So basically, this is how you can do some hash browns real quick and easy in the NuWave Primo. Definitely want to hear your comments. You can find this, other heating instructions and recipes at superwaveovenrecipes.com. Always get to this YouTube channel through waveovenrecipes.com. Twitter and Instagram, also Wave Oven Recipes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Share the video with a friend, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and good eating.